curl this hair. I don't know. It still looks good today. Today's the next day, but it's still cute. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna use. Do not look at that measurement, girl. Oh my god. I was using it with my frontal and I didn't get a chance. But yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with the hair. Some curls I did retouch, but most of all I did pin curl the hair, but I didn't really do it too precise. I just literally clumped them together. Hey, hey. I just literally clumped them together and pin curled them. I love this hairstyle. It's super easy. The only thing that I did touch up was the sides. Cause I sleep, you sleep on the side of your head. I'm not that girl that sleeps on a roll of Bounty. I don't even know how they do that. If you do it, please let me know how it works, how you do it. Do you get it under the neck? The nape of the neck? Let me know. But I'm just gonna let you see how I prep my hair to go to sleep. It's super easy. The video's not even long, but enjoy. And
you're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.